All right, let's go over some things that you really don't need in order to be getting started, let's say, to be successful. And that's with an online business. Now, the first thing is money. Money's not a big thing. I started with 25 bucks a month. Then you got followers. I started with 0. Experience, none. You don't need any experience. I had none of this experience to start with. Next thing's a college education. College education seems like today is kind of usefulness or useless. There you go. Because I've seen a whole lot of people that are college educated and are making $35,000 to $40,000 a year. Man, you can double that online. So you don't need a college education is my point. Now, let's keep going. Some kind of fancy software, you don't need that either. Because most of them, let's just take, for instance, the one that I'm involved in. It comes with a automatic funnel and all of the training to get you started in it. And once you learn how to do that, you'll do it for a whole lot of things. And you can make money just making funnels for other people. So guys, you don't need a whole lot, is what I'm saying. Now, if you'd like to talk to me, let's do something. Let's get together and talk, because I'd like to find out what you're looking for and see if I can help you. So just leave me a comment, says something like, let's talk, and I'll get back with you. Okay? Later. Bye.